In today's video, we're going to be looking at Windows 10 security. Windows 10 comes with a built-in antivirus software called Windows Security, and we can get it up easily by searching Windows Security or just Security. However, if you have another product which offers the same service, such as McAfee or Bitdefender or similar products, then they may show up before Windows Security when you search security. But Windows 10 is free for everyone who's got Windows 10. And that's what we're looking at today. As you can see here, virus and threat protection checks against downloaded items and software we run. It scanned my computer recently and it said no action needed, as it does for most of them. Account protection is about how hard it will be for people to get into your laptop or computer if they got access of it. As you can see, no action needed. I've got Windows Face set up and also my password. It's quite secure, so no action needed there. And firewall and network protection just lets you know if you're on a public network and things, if people can access your files, or if there's been a breach in your own network. This is a really useful security tool, and I'd recommend you turn it on Windows 10. From here, you can also see your security settings if you've already got a pre-installed virus software, and you can also change your settings depending on what you need from your device. For example, if you need to access a certain network, you may need to set up a VPN, or maybe your own public network. Thanks for watching. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.